Hello and welcome to my demonstration video for the BYUI homepage rebuild. So now the purpose of this little project that I did was to take the BYUI homepage and try to recreate it the best I could using Sass and CSS. I also created my own HTML for it, and I pulled a lot of content that you'll see from the actual BYUI homepage. So just to start out, I just want to show this is what the actual BYUI.edu homepage looks like. So as you can see, you have like resource box, important dates, you have like a little hero box and gallery section, and just different little things. Like a little building from like the BYUI campus is here, along with a little footer and whatnot. Now, some things to note first is when I built this site, I tried getting it as close as I could to the actual thing, but then I also did take some liberties in like changing some things up slightly. But very minor though, very minor. And when I was also building it, just with a busy schedule and time and things, also made it where like the header here, I made it where it only will display like the mobile version, so something like this that you'll see. And then with the footer, I only built the blue section as part of the footer. This gray and the black down here, I decided not to build it. I thought it was kind of trivial, didn't really need to, so I just built the blue and then called it good. Awesome. So let's hop over to my version of the site now. So as you can see here, like I tried recreating it like it is in the mobile version as well as for the header version, like I mentioned previously. Like I have like a few dates here. I have like the resources box, kind of like here. Here I have a little drop down. Here they have it slightly coming out. I just kind of liked it a little bit shorter, but that was just a personal preference. And here you have like the individual things, like newsroom link. Here's like that building again, and then like the footer. And then if you were to switch it to mobile view, then you can see here it's like basically the same thing. Everything just like stacks, and it's pretty straightforward. But that is just a quick little demonstration video of just mainly practicing styling a web page and making it look as close as to like another site as I can, in a sense to just see how close I can get it. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a good rest of your day.